Hey, how's it going, Bill from Hakuna Matata Plumbing? This is Devin Norton with SEO Dallas TX. I spoke to you on the phone, and just here to give you that free video report I was telling you about, help you beat the competition online, pulling all the clients that they're taking from you. And again, this is all free information. You can do what you want with it. If you want to build this website out yourself and do it the right way, totally okay. If you want me to help you out with that, just let me know after you watch this video. I'll be glad to help you out as well. Getting right into it, you're looking at three things today. We're going to talk about content, citations, and then backlinks. And then content is the first one because content's king, and it has to do with how much content you have on your site as well as how much it relates to actually what you're offering. So going on your website, I love the name. I told you already, Hakuna Matata. I told you on the phone. It's awesome. It shows it's a nice family style name. It's got a nice feeling to it, which is exactly what you want in the area that we're targeting. And the website looks really great. It's got your license up front, shows reliability. It's got pictures. The one thing it's lacking in is content, and for a Google crawler to view a website as being authoritative, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words. It looks like you have about probably 150 to 200 here, so just add another 1,300 words there and you'll be set. It'll help you secure that top spot on Google. On top of that, with the name of your website, you want to probably host it on another name, just because no one's going to be able to recognize that, and some people might look at that as like a spammy website name. You can do something closer to like Plumber Burleson or something like that, or Hakuna Matata Plumbing, something like that. And the next thing you're going to want to look at is your competitors. So your competitors, if you type in Burleson Plumber, you're going to see we don't count Yelp, we don't count Angie's List. Cobb Plumbing Online, those are the first guys, and then Roto-Rooter, national website, we can skip past them. Light and Foot Mechanical is the second guys. So Cobb, older website. They do have a little bit more content than you do. They're probably around 400, 500 words. So once you get your website to 1,500, nothing to worry about. And as far as Lightfoot, again, they are a little bit more modern of a website, and they have about 600 words. Again, get your website up to 1,500. You're not going to have an issue beating them out. Okay. Let's go to citations. So citations are what is going to put your website here. The Google Map Pack or the local map pack ranking, and when someone needs an emergency plumber, a lot of times they'll click this top guy here, and that's why you see they have so many more reviews because so many more people use them. So that's why you want that spot. Citations are just people or places on the internet where they've listed your name, they listed your phone number, and they listed your address. So any type of directories. So I use this tool. It's called whitespark.ca. It's a paid tool. You can definitely use it yourself, but I looked up those companies, and it shows they have 9 citations across the internet for Burleson Plumbing Service. So we can just take those exact same citations and apply them to your website. Now with my clients, I don't start anywhere below 60 citations, so we're going to blow them out of the water. Let's go to the next one. We're talking about Big Blade Plumbing and Rooter. They got 43. Again, better than the first guys, but nowhere near where we're going to be. So just get at least 60 for us. We want to get you to about 100, 150 so that when those guys start trying to catch up, it takes them at least a year or two behind, and we'll just keep adding citations so they never catch up to us. And the final thing we're going to look for is these guys, Shane's Plumbing Service at 29. We're going to blow them out of the water. We're going to give you about 100 citations. We're going to take these exact same ones they have, add some more on there, and you'll be set for that Google Map Pack at the top. Last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. Now, backlinks is how Google determines how powerful your site is and how trustworthy your site is. So it's basically determined from how many other websites in the on the internet are linking to you and how trustworthy they're considered. So if you go over here, this is your website. SecureSitesServers.net is giving you a lot of power. However, you get no traffic because you have no actual backlinks. So just your hosting site's got a lot of power to it, but there's no links to actually give you that power. You go to Cobb. This is Ahrefs, by the way. It's a tool that I also paid for. It just tells you the back end of websites. Now, Cobb Plumbing, they got 9 domains referring to them with 25 backlinks. They have very low power but a higher trust rate. You want to have this as a 1-to-1 ratio. It's called the golden ratio. But they do get traffic coming in, and we want to bring that traffic way up, okay? And the last thing is these guys, Lightfoot Mechanical. Traffic's even higher, less domains and less backlinks, but they have more powerful links and they have less of them. So that means that they're picking the right backlinks. They're just not, they don't have very many. So we can beat them very easily. The biggest thing though is we're going to go take the links from these guys, the ones that are good. We're going to leave the trash ones behind because not all links are created equal. And then we're also going to add more onto it by just, comparing your competitors around different cities like Azle, Crowley, Fort Worth. Take all those backlinks and add them right into your website. Make you the powerhouse. So that's it about what we can do for you on what you should do as far as getting your website up and going. things we talked about, our content, getting those 1,500 words up on that homepage. Citations, getting those up to at least 60. We would do about 100 for you. And then getting those backlinks up. You're going to want at least 150 to 200 backlinks to start. We're going to be shooting closer to 300 to 500. But that's it for you. If you like what I had to show you, just give me a holler whenever you want. Here's my website. You can give me a call at 214-441-6737. And yeah, we'd love to help you out. Thanks so much, Bill. Have a wonderful day.